Thousands of supporters of the former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan are rallying across the country demanding his release on the second anniversary of his imprisonment. Khan's charges range from corruption to terrorism. Police have arrested over 120 workers from Khan's PTI party who organised the nationwide protest. Kamal Haider has been following developments in Peshawar in northern Pakistan.
The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, which is the party of the jailed former Prime Minister Imran Khan, had launched a campaign that they say will continue until his release. Now here in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, which is also a stronghold of the party, tens of thousands of people have come out. They're demanding for the release of their leader, who has been in jail for the past 2 years. But the government, on the other hand, remains adamant. They have been bringing cases against the leadership of his party. Some of them have been given sentences of 10 years each on anti-terrorism charges, and several of his workers were arrested overnight in the Punjab and other provinces of the country. But because he has overwhelming support here in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, people have come out in large numbers, and they're determined with their demand that Imran Khan should be released. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Peshawar.